How to format the CPF file in an automatic way.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
So I have this list here, where I have numbers that are in CPF format, or user identification. And I want to insert a CPF format instead of doing everything manually, so I can do it automatically. So I'm going to copy this code here. I'm going to select the numbers, come here, come to customization. Here in general, I will delete and paste our format. So, okay, automatically it already has a CPF identification format automatically.